How to find your user ID in Farlight 84. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you are playing Farlight 84 and want to find your user ID, firstly open the Farlight 84 game on your device, and once you're inside the lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top left corner. Once you're inside this gear tab, go ahead and tap on Game from the bottom. Once you're inside Game, go to Service from the top. Inside Service, tap on Account Management. And then you will see this User Center pop up where you'll see a user ID displayed in long string of numbers, which is usually 8-digit long. Now tap on the Copy button to copy your user ID. And that's how you find your user ID in Farlight 84. Keep your ID handy if you need help from support or want to identify your account. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.